Assalamu alaikum, Muslim families. So most immigrant families don't start thinking seriously about college until junior year. And that's a problem because by then it's already too late. The families who consistently get into the most competitive schools, they follow a roadmap that begins way back in 8th grade. Each year, step by step, their kids are building the kind of applications colleges can't ignore. Now, I know this world intimately. My father went to Harvard. My grandfather went to Harvard. I went to Harvard myself. And over the years, I've helped hundreds of Muslim students earn admission to some of the world's top universities. So when I tell you there's a different way that elite families approach this process, I'm speaking from the inside. And right now, too many Muslim immigrant families are walking blind into a system they don't fully understand, overloading their kids with APs and taking the SAT 7 times and still falling short. That's why I created the College Clarity Workshop. On Monday, October 6th at 7:30 p.m., inshallah, I'm going to share the essential roadmap every Muslim family needs starting in 8th grade so that your teen can stand out without burning out and use their Muslim faith as their greatest advantage. Inshallah, you'll discover the #1 mistake Muslim families make in admission, the Saturday morning project formula for turning casual interests into Ivy-worthy initiatives, and why fewer APs and fewer clubs can actually give your child the edge. So if you're serious about giving your child the future that they deserve, rooted both in Deen and Dunya, join us. Reserve your spot now, and I'll see you inside, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.